Hi, Summit. This is the part two of drafting this dress. After labeling, now it is time to place our pattern on our fabric and cuts. So earlier I said the yardage of your fabric depends on the fullness of your dress. Depending on you, you can decide to add more than 14 inches that I measured earlier. You can decide to make it 18, 16. It depends on how full you want it to be. So because I have a lot of fabric, I am going to be increasing the fullness of my dress. That is the reason why you can see that while placing my pattern, I didn't place it at the hem of the dress. I make sure I had a bit of allowance at the side. So where I had a straight line at the side of the dress, I also want to have an A-line shape at that area, just to give it that flowy feel and flowy shape on the dress. So just watch what I'm doing and you understand what I just said. So I found my waist area. Then from the waist area, I connected it down to the hem line in a slopey shape, as you can see me doing. So basically, I have both sides of my dress in an A-line shape. The reason why I am doing this is just to add more fullness to my dress. Remember, these depend on you. You can decide to leave this area and not add anything. Just cut it the way you cut your pattern initially. Or if you want to add more fullness to your dress, you can go ahead and do this. Now, if your fabric is not enough also, you can just keep this part and just cut it the way you did on your pattern paper. Also, you can also do this on your pattern paper without having to start cutting out this area on your fabric. So I did the same thing on all my pattern paper for all my fabric. I added extra to the side of my dress, 3 inches to the side of my dress. Like I said, if your fabric is not enough, you can skip this area. Just watch what I'm doing and you're going to understand what I did. So I'm done cutting all my fabric, and this is how it looks like, and it turned out to be. So this is the back. You can see the extra fabric at the side, and this is the front. You can see the extra fabric on the front. And this is a close look of how the fabric and the dress looks like. You can see the extra I had that is the front, and that is the back. In my next video, I will be showing you how to join all this together. So thank you for watching. Bye and see you next time. Love you.